The Wellness Feed present 5 weird tricks to get a better jawline. You are a gym freak and spend hours running on a treadmill, your body is toned and your biceps and abs are perfect. But when it comes to your face muscles and facial symmetry, you're disappointed by the way you look. Your chubby face never helps you find a cute and attractive mate. You're unable to flaunt like a handsome man irrespective of the fact that you have plenty of charisma. Accept it or not, but a well-defined jawline is an essential part of the male facial structure. In recent years, the world has seen enormous changes in male beauty standards. With the explosion of cosmetic surgery and DIY trends to enhance physical appearance, it has become very common to invest money, time, and energy into changing your external appearance to give you a more attractive outer shell. There is no denying that everyone wants to get a chiseled jawline and is willing to pay any cost for it. Cosmetic and aesthetic procedures are very expensive nowadays. The good news is that with proper facial exercises and diet, you can grab your desired looks without ever going under the knife. Training, dieting, and growing facial hair will bring out the macho look in every guy. There are some non-traditional weird methods that are also available for making your jawline even more defined and for adding extra marks to your overall personality. In this video, we have tried our best to provide you with some methods to help you look your best. Here are 5 weird tricks to get a sharp and blunt jawline. If you want more videos like this in your feed, then subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. 1. Facial exercises. A pristine jawline depends mostly on your genes, but you can do a lot more to enhance the way you look. Often gym exercises fail to shape up your neckline and jawbone. This area is usually underdeveloped. Weightless exercises, especially targeting this area, can be very useful and can help you get rid of flimsy muscles around your neck, face, and jawbone. There are a variety of facial workouts available on the internet. For the long-term, neck curl up, chin up, fish face, and tongue twister can be very fruitful. Neck curl up. Bring your chin to your chest. Lift your head off the ground for about 2 inches. Do not lift your stomach and do not poke your chin out. Start doing it 3 sets of 5 reps and gradually increase the number. Chin up. This exercise is called touch the sky. As the name suggests, you just have to bend your head backward and your chin should be up towards the sky. Hold this position for 3 seconds and do 15 reps. Fish face. This is the most fun way to get a tighter jawline and cheekbones. Make a fish face, hold for 2 minutes, and repeat. Tongue twister. Place your tongue on the roof of your mouth, right behind your teeth. Then completely close your mouth and add stress to the muscles. Complete 3 sets of 15. Vowel sound. Open your mouth wide and say O, followed by E. Do not show your teeth and tongue. Perform 3 sets of 15. Be sure that while doing all these exercises that you take it easy on yourself, because in the beginning it can be strenuous for your back and face muscles. Repeated with consistency is the key to success though. 2. Eat healthy. Maintaining yourself and eating healthy snacks can definitely help. But if you feel that the fat you have stored up has hidden your jawline and given you a double chin, you should follow a healthy routine by eating controlled portions of food. By working out properly and eating healthy foods, you will build your stamina and your body gets toned, which in turn helps your face to tone too. So if you want to restore yourself, food can be used proportionally to get better results. 3. Increase volume of your hair. Facial hair is the secret essence of the handsomeness of a guy. Think of all the handsome guys you know, and you will find that a good number of them have amazing hair. Increasing and caring for your facial hair is a key factor that adds to the attractiveness and masculinity of a man. It is proven that your jawline will be much more prominent if you enhance the way your hair looks by giving it a short amount of time daily. Trimming stray hair like under your neckline or on your cheek that are above your beard will improve your looks in many ways. Your jawline will be enviable and your hair will be more groomed too. 4. Chew gum. Chewing gum is one of the best ways to keep your jawline sharpened. It helps strengthen tooth enamel and your facial muscles. The muscles in your face are exercised when you chew gum, which shapes up your jawline, providing a much stronger and attractive jawline. Also, chewing gum is a healthy habit anyone can take to. And anyways, who can resist the temptation to enjoy gum while shaping up your jawline? 5. Reduce sodium intake. Sodium, commonly known as salt, is an essential ingredient of our diet, but too much of it and everything is dangerous. And nowadays, food items are unnecessarily loaded with salt, which is very dangerous for our health. Salt makes our skin look swollen due to the water in our body, a result of excessive salt in our body. Reducing salt intake will benefit our skin as the water that makes it look puffy will disappear. There are other health benefits to reducing salt intake, which include reducing your chance for a heart attack, strokes, kidney problems, blood level increasing, blood pressure problems, etc. A chiseled jawline is a very trendy look, and there are different ways to achieve it. You could go to a plastic surgeon and spend tons of money. You could use makeup to contour your jawline, or you could try these 5 simple steps a few days a week to achieve the same look. If you enjoyed watching this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends and families. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. Also, be sure to check out more videos as well. We will update you with some other interesting videos. Thanks for watching.